Bomb cyclone storm Éowyn bears down on Ireland, United Kingdom with damaging winds, heavy rain. Good day and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, your trusted source of global weather updates. Today we are bringing you breaking news about the powerful storm that's about to impact Ireland and United Kingdom in major way. The storm Éowyn is what meteorologists call a bomb cyclone, a term used for the storms that undergo rapid intensification. What is bomb cyclone? A bomb cyclone occurs when the central pressure of the storm drops at least 24 millibars within 24 hours. And this rapid pressure drop leads to extreme wind speeds, heavy rain, and often significant disruptions. In case of storm Éowyn, the storm has undergone a dramatic pressure drop and experts are predicting it will more than double the criteria for the bomb genesis, making this a particularly potent and dangerous storm. The Irish Meteorological Service has issued red warnings for the high wind throughout all of the island, marking the severity of the storm. Red warnings are highest level of alert, signaling a risk of life and property due to the dangerous conditions. In the United Kingdom, the Met Officers followed the suit with the red warnings for Northern Ireland as well as for the central and southwest parts of the Scotland. Other areas in the northern England and parts of the Scotland have been issued the second highest alert level due to the expected winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. However, those in the coastal areas, especially along the western coast, should prepare for the gusts reaching 80 to 100 miles per hour, with the high waves expected to accompany these intense winds. When it hits on Friday morning, the storm is expected to bring the widespread disruption across the island and United Kingdom. For Ireland, wind gusts have 80 miles per hour are anticipated, and these powerful gusts will cause dangerous conditions, including the potential for the power outages, fallen trees, and structural damage. Beyond the intense winds, heavy rainfall is also expected to cause widespread flooding. As the storm moves through, up to 2 inches of the rain could fall in some areas, particularly in the Western Island and western coastal regions of the United Kingdom. This combination of intense rainfall and high winds will not only increase the likelihood of the flash flooding but also present a serious hazard to anyone trying to travel or move about in the affected areas. For the first time since the impacts-based warning system was introduced in 2011, the Met Office has issued a red warning for the Northern Ireland. And this marks a significant movement in the weather forecasting for the region, as the red warnings are reserved for only the most extreme and dangerous weather events. And this red warning underscores the severity of the storm and potential risk posed by the storm Éowyn. What are the potential consequences? As storm Éowyn brings its full fury on Friday, it is crucial that the residents in the affected areas take the necessary precautions. The combination of the high winds, rain, and possible coastal surges could lead to power outages. High winds are likely to knock out power in many areas, especially where the trees and the power lines are vulnerable. And the residents are urged to prepare by keeping backup batteries, lanterns, and emergency supplies on hand. People are urged to stay indoors during the worst of the storm, particularly during the high wind period, and secure the outdoor items like garden furniture, trampolines, and other objects that could become airborne in the high winds. Prepare an emergency kit with the food, water, flashlights, batteries, first aid supplies, and any medications, and monitor local alerts and weather services for the latest updates, as conditions can change rapidly. While the bomb cyclones aren't a new phenomenon, The intensity of these storms and the growing frequency of the extreme weather events raise important questions about the role of climate change in shaping our weather patterns. As the atmosphere warms, it can hold more moisture, leading to heavier rainfall and more intense storms. Additionally, warming oceans can provide more energy for the hurricanes and cyclones, making them stronger and more unpredictable. Storms like Éowyn are just one example of the kinds of the extreme weather events that many experts believe will become more frequent as global temperatures continues to rise. And with this in mind, it's crucial that the governments, communities and individuals take action to mitigate risks and prepare for the increasing threat of such events. The storms, heavy winds and rain have potential to cause widespread damage and disruption. So make sure to stay safe, monitor local weather reports and follow any guidance from the authorities. And that's all for now from It's Tomorrow News. Stay safe, stay prepared and stay tuned for more updates. For continuous coverage of global weather events, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates on major weather phenomena.